Hello, it's the third day of my challenge. I'm writing one folk tune a day for 30 days to raise money for the Multiple Sclerosis Trust, and it's to help people that are newly diagnosed. So today's tune is a Strathspey and it's in F major, picked out by Pete this morning at the Hat, and it's called the Tier 1 Strathspey, aptly named by Debbie Dwight. So thank you very much, Debbie, absolutely brilliant. Right, here we go. Thank you very much. That was a real challenge, so hopefully it'll be a bit easier tomorrow. Bye!